Alright, I wanted to go over the theme options panel real quick. So you can access it via here under theme options or under appearance and theme options. And so we have our basic tabs under here, appearance, theme options, portfolio, homepage, social icons, appearance, tools, and slider. So basics, very simple. Here are copyright text that you can change, some footer widgets you can turn off, and adjust the footer column widget column number 1 through 4 with columns. Then some sidebar options. Portfolio, we go over the portfolio and homepage tabs on those videos, so if you want to look up those, check out the portfolio videos or the homepage videos. Social icons, these refer to the social icons widget, which is under widgets and progression social icons. And basically when you fill out one of these information, the icon for the social network will show up, and if you leave it blank it won't show up. And here's an example of the widget right here. So it's very cool and simple. You would just put in your text and the link and it will display. Then appearance is probably the most important one, and it's where you upload your logo, set your logo width and your height of navigation, and then a couple background images and fonts. So if you wanted to adjust your fonts, you can do so here. There's a kind of a general idea of what these section fonts are. So these are the navigation, and then some headings and some buttons. And then tools, this is where if you wanted to add some custom code or a tracking code for Google Analytics, you can add that here, or some basic SEO for your homepage. If you wanted additional SEO, we recommend, a plugin like Yoast SEO. You can just go to wordpress.org for that. Then for slider, there's some slider options like autoplay and etc. So under appearance, let's go and upload a logo just to show you how to do that. So let's go to upload, and then we'll upload a logo. We just drag it in, and then make sure it's a full size. That's one. So it stays the same size that you wanted. It actually gives you the width and the height right here, 250 pixels by 50. So we can click use this image, and this is just from a different theme of mine. So then for logo width, you just type in the amount of pixels that your logo is for width. Pretty standard. So ours is 250 pixels, yours will probably be a different number, but you'll just type it in right there. Then we'll come back to these next options. Let's go and just save ours and see how it looks. So when we view our page, you'll notice that the logo is really small and the navigation is too tall. So let's go back to our options, and you notice that one of the options is navigation height. And that is just a default 72 pixels. So let's go and adjust that down. Let's type something like 45 pixels. Let's save those options. Let's do 44 pixels actually. Trying to use even numbers, it's a little easier. And notice how the navigation dropped a lot shorter. So then we can just keep doing that. Let's do like 40. And you can see that it's very close to the logo. And if you wanted, see our logos should probably have some padding above and below it. You can add that as blank space in the PNG image, above and below the logo as well. But this pretty much gives you all the options you would need for adjusting the height of the navigation if you needed to adjust the navigation lower or higher. It can be done there. Then you have page background and featured slider thumbnail backgrounds. And so obviously this is the featured thumbnail background. It's this black texture. And then page title is this thatched color right here. And you can upload your own image or just remove these and they become a solid color right here. And then you can adjust these. In our next video, we show you how to adjust those with a color picker. It's just under here, under customize, and then you get a color picker for background colors. But we'll touch on that on the next video. But that should pretty much cover the full theme options panel. You can kind of play around with those options and see how it goes.